Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. In this video, I'm going to take a look at the price of crude oil as we head into the close for the week and we head into the new trading week next week. Looking at the price action for crude oil, we've been in a trend move to the upside. In fact, 7 straight weeks to the upside of higher prices. This week is a different story. The price is down around 2% on the week, but nevertheless, we're coming off a big, strong gain to the upside for this commodity, and that had traders last week looking toward a break of what was a key ceiling area. The ceiling area was defined by this area right here between the $82.43 and $83.44. You look at it, a number of different swing highs through here, all these different highs. All these highs found sellers in this area, and that put the ceiling on the pair and made it pretty logical that when the price would break above that level, we'd have a breakout and we'd likely see higher prices. Indeed, we did for a day and a half or thereabouts, and the market started to rotate to the downside. The two ending days of last week found support against the low of this ceiling area at near the $82.43, and it was this week on Monday where the price finally started to trade below, and that turned the buyers to sellers right here on this day right here. On Tuesday we went further, and Wednesday we went even further. Thursday and Friday we saw support buyers along with Wednesday's low come in near the 79 level, and that gets me to the next key level on this chart, and that is the 79 level. If I were to draw a line from this low right here to all the way to the end here, you can count a number of different times where the market price used this level as a reflective or a deflective level, either support or resistance through here, and then in this week, 1, 2, 3 straight days where the price found support within 5 cents of that $79 level. So what does that say about this chart from a technical perspective? Well, it says that there's strong resistance between the $82.43 and $83.44. Let's discount this as a failed break. So the old ceiling is back in play, and there's strong support at the 79 level. So we have resistance up here, support down here. We're trading a little bit closer to the low, but we're off that low as well at $80.58 and closing higher on the day today, which is something positive to go into the weekend and for this commodity. So as we go into next week, the battle lines are set. We need to either get above the topside target at $83.44, in which case we'd look toward the 38.2% retracement. That's of the move down from the 2022 high. Go all the way back to here, where the high price peaked at $123.68 to the low price that we saw in trading this year. So that 38.2 comes in $86.72, but that only happens if we're able to get above this swing area of the year. On the downside, conversely, if we break below the 79 level, we'd start to have traders would start to look toward the 200-day moving average again. That comes in at $76.60, followed by the 100-day moving average at $75.23. That's what we have to look forward to on the downside for the price of crude oil. So where we are right now, in between support and resistance, traders are battling it out. And fundamentally, what we can focus on are a lot of different stories, and that's why we're getting this ups and downs price action. Things that might lead to lower prices come from China, second largest economy, which continues to have trouble economically, and also the potential that the U.S. might slow down joining China on the downside as far as growth, as far as demand for oil. That may also lead to downward pressure in the price of oil. On the upside, however, is that the U.S. economy still remains fairly strong, and China, what if they do rebound off of their low levels as a result of China's stimulation, so on and so forth. Also, Saudi Arabia continues to try to cut back on production to keep the price elevated, so that their efforts to support the price of crude oil is also in play for traders to ponder. But the technicals are going to help tell the story. 79 on the downside, 83.42 to 82.43 to 83.44 on the top side. We'll see how it all plays out next week. There you go. A technical look at the price of crude oil. My name is Greg Miglosky. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.